going on? It's on the podcast. This is the DrawDownKing. Got 15 seconds to get in a trade. We're going long. This is 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Again, 3 contracts. We're in. Are we going to go up or are we going to go down here? We're going to take a look. We were up there a few hundos off 17,685. Holding in, that's also a bounce off the opening price of 17,669. Coming off a bounce of 50.76 on the ES up to 50.80. We are now officially coming back in, so that was not a good plan. We should have went short. But we're still holding in long here. Maybe this is not such a good idea. We'll find out very shortly, won't we? All right. Again, our entry is again a 17,685. We're down around 17,682 right now. Looking for that move back up. We're looking for 17,719 to 17,727 here. Possibly coming back around this area. We could have took that long off, went short, went long again. Right now we are still in this long side trade. It's pushing back up to my area of 685. Looks like they're rejecting the 50.80 on the ES as well. So we may not do so well today. We're not really prepared, but we got to be in a trade. You got 15 minutes and 15 seconds in between trades. And your score is your score. Right? Your score is your score. All right, let's see what we got here. So we did reject 50.80 on the ES. Still holding around the 17,679 right now on the Nasdaq. Don't want to let this come against us too much here. But you got to be in a trade, and you ain't got time to mess around. So the 15-second rule is really what's hard to handle sometime for some people. Take that rule out and it's going to get a lot easier. So we're down a little bit here. We're down to 677. Trying to regain some footing between 79 and 80. This may not be a successful day either. Yesterday was not good at all, just to be honest with you. All right, so we're trying to regain, pushing up to the 81 half area. The point of control is starting to press us up here a little bit as well. We're trying to get a little bit of movement to this upside now. We're still down to $300 or so. And that may not be looking good for too much longer. We are not looking so good now, are we, for this long side? Trying to get 76 to hold. This may have been a bad entry for us parts. We should have got out when we were up. We live and learn. Some days we do okay in this, some days we don't. Really a brain training exercise and nothing more. Nothing more. But you got 15 minutes. You always got to be in a trade. You got 15 seconds in between trades, right? We did tap 67625 here. Trying to make a push back up. Starting to hit the 683, 685 area. All right. All right, and there we go. Starting to break out. So that was not the best entry. We had a little bit of a drawdown. We had to go through there. Not a crazy amount. Not a crazy amount of drawdown. Now we're up a little bit. It's taken a while for us to really get this play in here. We got about 9 minutes left on this. Not really getting out of the trades and doing the scalps like we could. We had 2 opportunities to scalp, 3 opportunities. We didn't take it. Market's being a little difficult here right now, in fact. So it looks like we're going to lose because we didn't really give this our all in terms of making the movements on the way the market's going. So yeah, this may not be a winner at all. It took a drawdown here down to 672. See if we hold it this time and then finally get that push. It's not the ideal situation just to be holding a trade the whole time. As you can see here, we're down like 600 bucks. It's not my favorite day to trade anyways. I don't like these crazy days with the crazy movements as well. But, you know, for the sake of entertainment, we go ahead and do this anyways. It's all this is entertainment, not to be construed for anything else other than entertainment. All right, so we've got about 7 minutes left here. Trying to see if we're going to get this move or not. It doesn't really look like we're going to at this time. It's coming back against us. It's not a very clean chart at all right now. So yeah, we should have took that initial trade. We had a few different secondary trades we could have took. And it's just not the best time right now. Again, the market conditions, the charts just aren't looking that great. They're trying to found some foundations, but you're right in the middle of possible base building, so it gets a little messy at times. And we're trying to come back in. We're still here at 17,680, so we're still about 5 points down below the entry price. These are sort of iffy. All right, see if we get it this time. See if we can get this pushed through this 85 now to the 94 area. And then break out up to 716. All right, so we're still in here. We're still in the 685-ish. Well, we are in 685 right now. All right, so this is some messy stuff where it looks like we're going to get toe jammed here. Very messy stuff. 2 o'clock would have been better, but we don't pick these times. We just jump in and start going. Basically, just to get an idea to see how the market could behave to these different types of scenarios here. So it looks like we're going to get smacked and toe jammed here. All right, so we're coming back in. They did come in at 672 to 674 to try and buy a piece of the action. All right, see if we finally get that lift out of here. So much time left. We got about 2 minutes. So I don't know if we're going to get this 716 lift coming out here or not. Still having trouble at 685. Got about a minute and something, so we're going to have to get out of this. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to be able to get this moving. Looks like we're going to get smacked down here. In fact, yep, we were out of it. So there you go. We're down $1,400. We're up after the last couple of days. We are back to slightly above break even. Got smacked down there on that mad candle. Went from 678 to 47. So out of here. This is DrawDownKing. That's all. Well, actually, well, nope. We gotta keep going, don't we? We have 15 seconds. It has to be 15 seconds in between trades. All right, so we don't have much time left. We're going to have to get off here very shortly here. Very shortly. Got a few seconds, like 20, 15 seconds, something like that. All right, so we came back at 8, so it's still down about $600-700. Have a good day. DrawDownKing, 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 DrawDownKing.